Hey guys, if you all want to see how my 9-year-old son made these delicious French toast sausage rolls for the first time, stay tuned and check out this video. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina. This is my son,
Kayden.
And today we are
Doing Cooking with Kayden.
We'll be featuring a new segment. We'll be bringing you videos every week, teaching him how to cook, trying to get him to eat more foods. My son hardly eats anything. His diet consists of, tell him what you eat, Kayden.
I eat chicken, I eat cheese pizza, I eat white rice, I eat chicken, pizza, white rice, I eat snacks, I drink.
Drink is not eat. And he eats basically
and bread. I eat bread.
He does eat bread. And you love sausage, right?
Yes.
He loves these brown and served sausage. He loves bread, but he's never eaten it together. So today I said, why not we just combine some of his favorite items and we'll put it together and see if he likes it. And this is his favorite sausage, the brown and served. We'll be using that. And we're gonna be making what, Kayden?
We're gonna be making brown and served with bread.
We're going to be making French toast sausage rolls, okay?
French toast sausage roll.
Are you going to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. So these will be all the ingredients that you need. You have your eggs, your bread. You can use any sausage that you like. We're using this. You'll need milk, ground cinnamon, salt, pepper, and of course your syrup or whatever topics you like. Okay, so I'm going to let him do everything. Kayden's going to be doing pretty much everything. I'm going to have to teach him step by step because he doesn't cook. But put it in just like that, Kayden. Do the next egg. Both hands. Stand. If y'all seen the cooking video with us baking a cake, y'all know he gets eggshells.
Oh my God.
I'm going to show you how to crack the egg. All you're doing is separating. That's all you're doing, okay?
Alright. Now you whisk your eggs.
Okay, now let's whisk it the other way, like
Why
that.
are they so bouncy?
Just... Okay. So now, Kayden, pour in the milk. Okay, that should be good. Now we add salt, pepper, and ground cinnamon. Dashes. Don't be scared. That's enough!
Oh,
Jesus. Okay.
you said don't be scared, so.
Now add the salt and pepper.
The salt? Oh, you should know that the salt. Oh.
Okay, that's good. Pepper. Okay, that's good. Now we whisk. Okay? Whisk it up lightly. Okay? And this is for your French toast. Okay? So now that we have the batter, now comes the fun part. So we're going to cut each end of the bread off.
Oh, the bread smells fresh.
It does. It's very fresh. Alright, so you're going to go just like this and cut the ends off, Kayden.
Ooh, let me do it.
It's so soft.
Let me do it.
Hold on. I'm gonna do the first one and then I'll let you do the next ones. Okay? You're going to cut them off nice and even, just like that, and then you're going to roll it out. Okay?
Alright.
Show you one more time.
Can I do the last two on my own?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, I touch them.
My son has OCD, so he doesn't want anyone touching anything of his. It drives me crazy. Okay, so you saw how I only went to the edge, right?
Yep.
Okay, so here you go. Only to the edge.
The edge.
Good job.
Yay!
Turn it.
Turn.
Right to the edge.
Yay!
Good job. Too much to the edge.
I know. I got it. I got it. Yay!
Okay. Right to the edge. Don't pull the bread apart.
Yay!
All right. Next one. The bread is so soft, so if you pull the bread, it'll come apart, okay? So you just have to hold it and press down on a knife.
Yay.
Good job.
Chant yay every time I cut a slice.
Yay.
Yay.
All right, come on, hurry up. You're pulling the bread off.
Let's just get it all off. Yay.
Watch your fingers.
Yay.
Good job, okay? Don't do that. Okay, so Kayden, these are your 2 slices, okay? I'm going to show you what to do next, okay? So now that we have all the ends of the bread off, now we're going to roll them out, okay? So we'll place them back over here, and I'll show you one by one what to do, okay?
So like you basically just fold them.
You're just going to flatten it out, okay? Just like this. Flatten each piece out.
Alright, you know I could have done it alright.
I'm just
That's the thing.
Yes, exactly. All right, so get the next piece of bread, and here you go. Flatten each of your slices of bread out. Turn it over. That's good. Just flatten it. Stack it. Get the next piece.
Alright.
Okay, come on.
I'm touching everyone's piece.
But you don't want no one to touch yours. All right, come on. That's good. It's like you're some evil bread flattener. What is wrong with you? You're just throwing the bread. When you're cooking is something that's serious. So I want you to really keep in mind you're trying to prepare food, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're not playing around. Don't be laughing before you spit over the food. Because I don't want spit on my French toast. I guarantee you're going to love this. You notice that he kept his separate? He's so particular. He will never. Okay.
This one is the best one that I did with mine.
Yeah, that one came out really good. Good job, Kayden. So now before we dip the bread into the batter, we want to make sure we got the sausage ready, okay? So let's go start cooking the sausage, Kayden.
Yeah. Now it's time to cook the sausage.
Okay, so turn the stove on. Hold it. Good job. Turn it to medium. You're going to put a little bit of oil. Sausage doesn't need that much oil.
Rolling them around, cook them until they're brown. All the way through. Oh look, they're starting to get there. Let's just turn them over.
Yeah, keep flipping them, keep rotating.
This looks okay because we're actually gonna finish cooking them with the French toast. So, time to take them out.
So now that Kayden has cooked the sausage, it's time to roll everything up and dip it in the batter. Okay, Kayden? Hands are washed?
Yep.
Hands are washed. We're gonna take each slice of bread.
Mhm.
Gonna place the sausage on, just like so. And then you're gonna roll it up.
And dip it in
And
the
then
pan.
dip it in. And roll it around.
Alright, my turn
Okay.
for me to do it.
Alright?
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna fry them.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready, Kayden?
Yeah?
Get your bread. Why are you yelling?
First, I'm gonna do this.
Get a sausage.
Put it right here.
You have to get half of another one.
Fine. I gotta cut it directly in half.
Cut it directly in half. Place it on there. Now roll it up.
And
Roll it
then
nice and tight.
Dip
You
it
see
in.
how it's not, your bread is coming loose? Alright, because Kayden was chopping off that. You have to roll it tight, Kayden.
No, that's
Alright, so now you have it rolled nice and tight. Hold it. Now
Hold
dip
it.
it.
Now,
Got dip each side.
And then you
Just place it on the plate.
place it on the plate.
Alright. Do your last one here. It's gooey.
Yes.
Sometimes gooey foods taste good. You're ripping the bread. You have to make sure the bread is tucked. Okay?
I don't like it. Somebody trying to poison me.
Go ahead, pour. Okay, that's good. Let your grease get hot before you put your French toast in your pan, Kayden. So Kayden, you have to flip them. You have to cook each side. They're looking good.
All because I was here.
You got the stove up too high.
What a timber.
My son jokes around for everything. It's so hard. So guys, you have to cook them evenly on all sides. Try not to let them burn. Had to take over.
Let me see.
So these are pretty much good. I just want to make sure all the bread is cooked. This one got broke up because of the bread, but that's okay. It'll still taste the same.
Yes, they will.
Okay, it is time. This is heavy, so I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. Take out your French toast rolls. That's heavy, and I don't have nothing on my surface to protect it. I think they came out okay for our first time.
Yeah. Can I taste one?
Yes. All right. Okay, now that we have it ready, it is time to add the syrup. Ain't your mama. Okay. Ooh, doesn't that look nice? Do y'all want sugar?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the one who came up with that idea about the sugar, so.
Kayden, put the sugar, sprinkle a little bit on top.
Alright.
Sprinkle it right over like snow. Come on, a little bit more. Don't let. You can't do that now. Ooh, snow falling. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay. Okay, you ready, Kayden?
Yes, I'm so ready.
Okay, so we have his cousin here, Jenna from Georgia. Come, Jenna. She's gonna, you're so short. She's gonna help us taste it. Let's see if they like it. This is the first time we made this. Everybody dig in.
Dig in.
Go ahead. Come on, grab one.
Got one.
And I'm gonna taste one.
Mmm.
Oh my God. That's really good. You like that, Jenna?
This is good.
Y'all enjoy. Kayden, do you really like it? Don't drop it.
That's so good, I really like it. That's so good, I really like it. That's so good, I really like it.
Kayden has never eaten French toast. So guys, try this. Something fancy for your kids to eat. Make, well, something that looks fancy, but something simple. Sausage. Again, you can use any kind of sausage you want. French toast, just roll it up and make it work. Make it look fancy. Syrup and some sugar, and you got yourself a bomb breakfast.
I love this.
I'm so glad you love it. We cooking with Kayden. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up
And subscribe.
and subscribe down below, and turn on those notification bells so you're notified every time we make a new video.
Is this my channel?
It's my channel. It's my channel.
This is so good.
Enjoy. Bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Their mouths are full.
Shut up. Guys, this tastes so good. And make sure to subscribe to my cousin. Yep.
That's what French toast rolls make you do. Dance with no music.
Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy.
We're not singing that song in this house. Even though it is yummy.